In this video, we will show you the fourth way to protect your PDF using PDF.co. Aside from turning your PDF into an unsearchable PDF, you can also convert the document into a set of images. We will use this sample PDF as a source file. Let's start the demo. First, open the PDF.co API docs. We have here different types of PDF converters that can convert PDF to image. We will use the PDF to JPG converter and copy its endpoint. Next, log into your PDF.co account. On your PDF.co dashboard, click the Request Tester button. In the Post field, type in the PDF.co API endpoint. In the Input Parameters field, load your source PDF. You can override the input URL with a link or a file. If you don't have a source file, you can use the sample PDF URL. Then, click the Run Request button to see the result. Once the request was successful, click the output link to view the result or directly download the output file. Here's the output that we successfully converted to an image. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the notification bell button. Thank you for watching.